2020, the devil worshippers, and you can see that this show was released on a 10 p.m. slot. People did model some of the rituals after material from the Church of Satan, and other groups that didn't quite favor their other acts. Even when people dedicate extremes to their faiths, it tends to be something about what they were into anyway. People self-style all sorts of faiths, and not all the old beliefs turned out to be healthy or safe to practice. If people make it seem like Satanism is the surest way to know the spiritual world is real, people will accept whatever cost they are told is necessary